Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see right here in the video, this was the analysis I made on my video the last time. All right, the last video I made here on this channel, I showed you guys some analysis, what I'm looking at currently in the market. And as you can see today, so according to my explanation in the previous video, all right, according to my explanation, I see that once price broke above this gray area, which is our support and resistance zone, and closed successfully above this area, I'm going to be looking for my buy entry. And as you can see, as predicted, price broke above this, went up, and then it came back for a retest around this area there. So as you can see, I took my buy from this area, and then I placed the stop loss initially below the zone. All right, and as you can see, price downs around a little bit, and you can see, boom, it went up. I opened the trade with two position. My first TP has already been hit around this area, and this is the second one here, and price is kind of still like struggling to get to that area. All right, and as you can see here, I've moved my stop loss to break even. So once price goes against me, I will not be losing any money anymore. Okay, like I told you guys the other day, I said I'm going to be making money no matter what. All right, I also took the sell entry. All right, I took the sell entry. So if you watch the video, you are going to see that I marked out some resistance zone here. All right, from the 1 hour time frame. All right, I marked out some zone here, and I say that if price like give me a sell condition around this area, I will be taking a short sell to this line. All right, and I did that. I milked that very day. I did the analysis. I was able to get the sell entry. All right, but I was only able to make the video to show you guys, okay, because I was very busy. All right, so but I decided to show you guys the buy entry. All right, I decided to show you guys this one currently. As you can see, same synthetic pair. All right, this is boom 500. So check the previous video, you are going to see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, as you can see right here, I'm currently in massive profit. All right, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you don't know the video I'm talking about, you check the most recent video. All right, the video before this one, you are going to see the how I was able to make the analysis and get this entry. Okay, so I just said I should like share with you guys the results. All right, for those of you that will be doubting, you can see for yourself that this analysis the analysis do work. Okay, so you should take it seriously, although it's not going to work every time, but consistency is the key. All right, so once you have a strategy, you are consistent with it, you make sure you master it, you are going to see that over time you make money from that strategy. All strategy do work, okay, it just depends on how you use it. All right, so and one thing you need to know is that price action is the key. Whatever you do, go and learn price action and learn some strategy with it. All right, price action is the key. Price action pays very well. Okay, and if you have price action and you miss it with indicator, then you have a master strategy. Okay, once you have an indicator that works very well with price action, then that's a very good strategy and you need to stick to it. Okay, stop moving from one strategy to the other, because you are not going to go anywhere with that. Okay, just look for something that works for you and then you stick to it. So that is that about this one. I'm going to be sharing with you guys another analysis on volatility 75 in today's video. Okay, I just want to share the result of the previous one with you, which is what you are seeing here. Okay, so now in today's video we are going to be doing analysis on volatility 75 index. All right, before I go into that, before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about the strategy I'm giving out, the boom and crash strategy I'm giving out. All right, it's a VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you have been below your account, all right, and you want to grow it no matter what, then you should come get the strategy I'm talking about. It's a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, I will be showing you guys how to use it, everything you need to know about it. All right, so if you are interested, check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure you message me so that I give you the strategy. All right, so that is that about that. Now let's go to volatility 75, and I'll be sharing with you how, all right, what I'm currently looking at, all right, before taking an entry. So now, as you can see, we are in a massive downtrend on the 50-minute time frame, all right, which means the market is currently heading down, all right, but I'm not going to be taking any entry right now. I want to see what's happening on the daily time frame, which is the time frame I like to do my analysis from. So now, this is the overall view of the market from the daily, right? So as you can see, the market is kind of, I don't know, let's say ranging, or I don't know. All right, this is a ranging market currently. All right, it's a ranging market. So now, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be marking out the support and resistance zones I'm seeing currently in the market. Okay, I'll be marking out the support and resistance zones I'm seeing in the market. So this is what I'm seeing here. There's a support and resistance zone here that was broken below, right? All right, so I will mark it out. So now, after marking this out, I'm going to mark some other ones. There is a support and resistance zone here. As you can see, I've already marked one here before. So now I'm going to step down to the 4 hours time frame to see what's happening there. So here on the 4 hours time frame, there is also a support and resistance zone here. The price just broke below, right? There's a support and resistance zone right here. So I'll mark it out also. Now let's step down to 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. So here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that things are a little bit clearer now, right? So now I'm not going to do anything here. Let me step down to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, also here on the 30-minute time frame, I don't think I'll be doing anything. Now down to the 50-minute time frame. Now here on the 50-minute time frame, you can see that we are in a downtrend, and you can see there was a support here being broken below. Now I think the retest is going, like price is kind of going for a retest right now, and maybe after that it's going to go down more. Okay, so now I'm going to put in a little bit of trend line here to have more understanding of what's going on in the market. All right, so I'll mark this, and then I'm still going to put in some trend line again. This is okay now. All right, so as you can see, around this area here, if I'm to step down to the 5-minute time frame, you are going to see that there is a mini support and resistance zone here that price has got into currently, and as you can see, it's kind of trying to reject price to the downside now. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I need a candlestick confirmation before I take any entry. So I'm supposed to like go in for a sell here, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I want to see a candlestick confirmation or some other condition before going in for my sell. All right, but if it doesn't go according to my prediction, so now I'm looking forward to take a sell here, and if it doesn't go down like that, I'll be waiting for price to break right above this area. All right, after breaking above that, it will come down for retests like this, and then I'll be buying to this area here. All right, so either way I'll be making money today or tomorrow or next. All right, so this is what I'm currently looking at on volatility 75 index. Okay, this is what I'm currently looking at. All right, I can decide to just like take one position around this area. All right, I just want to take one position with the lowest lot size so that I will not miss everything. So let's just see how it plays out. Okay, let's see how it plays out. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the result of how this will go. Okay, so if you're a new viewer, do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an informative or powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Silver out.